Hey, just a quick devlog update. Um, Started looking at some of the artwork that I might use for the game. Starting to notice that I need to do a little bit of modifications to the gate that I've got on the lip sync so that I get a bigger opening mouth, so I don't have to talk so loud with the amplitude. Anyway, also started trying to decide what car I wanted to make the base car. I thought about this one. It's kind of a cool looking ride. I don't like where the gear stick's at, so I'll probably move it to the bottom. It's just really weird that that would be up there like that. But I'm also leaning toward this one, which almost looks like a old school MR2 or maybe a Supra 80s model, maybe a Lexus. I don't know what that's based off of, but that's just what it reminds me of. Um, the cool thing that I'm finding with these assets is I can actually skin this car with every single skin that is on a car. So if I wanted this green skin that's on this car to be on this car, I can reskin it. And then there's attachments like spoilers and things like that. So I'm hoping to add car modifications to it along with tuning your car. Along with that, there's been some work done on the actual car controller itself. As far as the do I make a car game or a hover car game? In short answer, it was a tie, so I guess I'm going to build both. They probably won't be in the same game, but I will build both, I guess. But I'm going to start with the car. Mainly, that was a decision of mine, mainly because I just think it's more fun to drive. So, show you where the controller's at right now. First thing that I really wanted to lean into before I even went any further with the car is I had to fix the steering wheel for VR in Action Framework. Before it had a bug where if you did this and you grabbed, you were fine. But if you let go and you grabbed again, it would swing to the side like that and it could throw you into a wall. So if you grab like this, it would end up being something like that when you grabbed. But I fixed it, so now it's good. Working perfectly like you would expect it to. I find it interesting that once you get used to it, I don't even have to look at the stick. And I think that's because I learned how to drive a car with a stick. But it's fun to drive. It's really interactive. I actually prefer to drive it with the stick than I do the automatic. I also we now have car damage. See how I got some separation there from the bumper head. I don't know if I'm going to keep that or not. Networking it could be network heavy. I don't know yet. Plus, it's causing some weird stuff with the meshes on the dash. But it's getting there. So, in short, I'm going to build a racer. The main thing I'm trying to figure out is what I want to use for the road assets. I'm finding the Senti assets are pretty good, but their roads and sidewalks kind of suck. So I'm trying to find a correct artwork medium where I can stuff all this together because I'm only so limited in my art ability in Blender. So this side project, not really side project anymore, it's my main project. I'm gonna mainly use assets for it. I'm just gonna try to build a fun game and see what I can do with it. Really getting crushed now. Anyway, that's about where it's at right now. Once I can figure out the artwork pipeline and I can start laying out the scenes, it should be pretty much downhill to get a completed game. least do early release so people can actually play it. Because once you drive this thing, it's really fun. Just driving it, you know. To get friends in here playing with me, testing the game. I feel like it's gonna be a good time. Start adding effects and things like that. You know, jets flying over, really animating the scenes. Adding stuff like animated arrows, things like that that you would see in a race game. I think it's gonna be fun. So, cheers. Thanks for listening.